St. Ignatius University.
St. Ignatius University, a Catholic-centered teaching institution under the Kabale Diocese, has emphasized the importance of hands-on skilling courses along with digitalization to tackle the growing challenges of poverty and unemployment in the community. This was revealed by members of the University Council, including Monsignor John Vian Sandi, the Vicar General for Kabale Diocese, Reverend Father Associate Professor Maximiliano Ngabirano, the Vice Chancellor of St. Ignatius University, and Dr. Catherine Billa, the University Secretary, during a press conference held today at the university premises in Ushoroza Cell, Southern Division of Kabale Municipality. The press conference focused on the upcoming event scheduled for Saturday, August 24, 2024. The event will mark the official inauguration ceremony of the university, during which the Bishop of Kabale Catholic Diocese, Right Reverend Kalisti Rubaramira, will be installed as the first Chancellor of the university, and Reverend Father Associate Professor Maximiliano Ngabirano as the first Vice Chancellor.
It is the right of the Catholic Church to begin the institutions, learning institutions, at lower levels, but also at higher levels of learning. The right is from Jesus, who gave us a mandate to go and teach, as we see in Matthew chapter 28, from verse 19 to 20.
The presser also highlighted the university's key focus areas such as inspiring, empowering, and transforming society through the provision of education based on hands-on skills and projects, moral integrity, and formation and intellectual development to address societal challenges.
It is useless to have acquired academic excellency, but someone is unable even to manage his or her life. And so, in our teaching, we do emphasize ethics and moral conduct in our teaching, so that even when we go outside, we don't send out people who are going to disorganize societies. We send out people who are responsible and who are morally upright, in order to transform humanity and the society in which they live.
In his address, Monsignor Sunday explained that the establishment of the university aimed at solving challenges faced by people in society, such as extreme poverty. He further highlights that the university emphasizes teaching courses that incorporate hands-on projects, enabling students to transform their lives and become role models in using limited resources to generate more and bring about financial transformation.
St. Ignatius University, in its teaching, we do emphasize hands-on courses that empower people with the skills, so that even when they go outside this university, they are able by themselves to bring out something that can help them to empower themselves economically and transform their families and transform their society.
According to the Vice Chancellor, Reverend Father Associate Professor Maximiliano Ngabirano, the aim of establishing the university is to provide quality education at a lower cost. He noted that not everyone who attends university receives a comprehensive education, and Kabale Diocese is focused on addressing this by providing affordable, high-quality education.
People may not manage to go to Makerere due to high costs. You have to transport, you have to have accommodation, you have to do whatever. And the university says, the diocese thinks, and rightly thinks, that there are many people who could have gained a university education but excluded due to transportation, far distances, tuition fees, and others. Can we narrow that gap?
Associate Professor Ngabirano further explained that the university aims to achieve financial literacy and transformation, which will be a key focus following its inauguration on Saturday, August 24th of 2024. He adds that this initiative is expected to address the challenge of youth seeking jobs abroad by focusing on self-employment opportunities rather than relying on job seeking.
The hands-on education, hands-on. We are familiar with our people, educated and non-educated, going outside the country looking for jobs in Dubai, in Arab countries and elsewhere. We are also familiar with graduates with degrees who are on the streets looking for jobs. one will ask himself, then what is the use of that education that you took, that took you to the university, all the time, all the money, or what was the reason why you went to study? So our aim is that whoever comes out of this university should be able to employ himself or herself. That is the first.
The university administrators, led by Dr. Catherine Bila, the university secretary, informed journalists that the university accepts students from all religious backgrounds and that ethics is the foundation of their teaching in every course.
Our university provides part of the estate to our students who can use it, who come to us and say, we are needy, we cannot afford ABC. We are offering part of our estates to our students to work, to do horticulture, to sell those products and share the benefits. By so doing, these students are learning, one, to be responsible, to earn justly, to share in decision making, to solve problems collectively.
The official inauguration ceremony of the university will see the Bishop of Kabale Catholic Diocese, Right Reverend Calistro Ralamira, installed as the first Chancellor, and Reverend Father Associate Professor Maximiliano Ngabilano as the first Vice Chancellor. The ceremony will be presided over by Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, retired Major Jesco Alupo. Compiled by Norbert Ndiamhachi for Kigezi Television.
Father, we want to thank you for this moment we have had.